This isn't a movie. This is real life right now. Across the United States, a massive winter storm has arrived. Snow falling faster than cities can clear it. Highways disappear. Airports fall silent. Millions of people find daily life paused. Schools closed. Work canceled. Plans vanish overnight. Something as simple as leaving the house becomes a challenge. Every step outside takes effort. Every journey takes patience. While most stay indoors, others work through the cold. Snowplow drivers clearing streets. Emergency crews navigating icy roads. Utility workers restoring power lines in freezing winds. Inside homes, life slows down. Families gather closer together. Heaters hum. Candles flicker. People watch the snow through frosted windows. And in that quiet, connection emerges. Conversations last longer. Games are played. Laughter fills rooms that would otherwise be silent. Outside, the snow becomes a playground. Children build snowmen. Dogs charge through drifts. Snow angels appear in freshly fallen snow. Neighbors help each other. Shovels are shared. Driveways cleared. Even in the storm, community survives. Humor finds a way. Phones capture the chaos. Laughter spreads online. Optimism doesn't freeze. As the storm begins to ease, streets remain quiet. Snow-covered neighborhoods glow under streetlights. The world feels paused but peaceful. The storm will pass. Roads will clear. Life will move again. Even in the coldest moments, people adapt. They help one another. They find joy where they can. They endure. This is resilience. Not loud, not dramatic, just human.